In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relative, absolute, and mixed cell references in Microsoft Excel. Cell references are essential in Excel because they determine how your formulas behave when copied to other cells. By using relative, absolute, and mixed references correctly, you can make your calculations faster, more accurate, and easier to manage. We'll start by entering sample numbers in columns A and B. For example, type 10 in A2 and 5 in B2, 20 in A3 and 15 in B3, and continue down the rows. These numbers will be used for our formulas. Next, in column C, we'll create relative reference formulas. In C2, type equals A2 plus B2. This formula automatically adjusts when copied to other rows. For example, when you copy it to C3, it becomes equals A3 plus B3. This is useful when you want to perform the same calculation across multiple rows without rewriting the formula. In column D, we'll use absolute references. In D2, type $A$2 plus $B$2. When you copy this formula to other rows, it will always refer to A2 and B2. Absolute references are helpful when you need to use a constant value in calculations, like a fixed tax rate. Column E will demonstrate a mixed reference formula, where the column is fixed. In E2, type $A2 plus $B2. This keeps the column in A fixed while allowing the row in column B to adjust when copied down. Copying it to E3, E4, and so on will show how only part of the reference changes. Column F will demonstrate a mixed reference formula where the row is fixed. In F2, type equals $A$2 plus $B2. This keeps row 2 fixed while the other parts adjust as you copy it across rows. You can also quickly toggle between relative, absolute, and mixed references while editing a formula by selecting the reference and pressing the F4 key. Each press cycles through the different reference types, saving time and reducing errors. By practicing with these examples, you can see exactly how relative, absolute, and mixed references behave. This will help you use them confidently in your own Excel worksheets, making your calculations more reliable and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.